Hey guys, Birdboy 2 million here with the second summer bonus box break. So in this video I will be opening this box of 4 packs, 50 cards, and a bonus. So my last bonus break, I opened the brand new MVP cards, the blaster box, and so I got a lot of hits in that. Alright, so let's see what looks like. We got like a little puck thing, I guess. Our 4 packs are a 2013-14 Panini Prism, a 2012-13 Score. I love these packs. You always get something good from these. I got a 2013-14 O-Pee-Chee. I guess just normal O-Pee-Chee. And then 2011 and 12 Victory pack. So I'll be opening the packs first, and then I will reveal the cards. Cards are in here. Alright, so let's get started on these packs. I'll do the biggest pack first. It looks like I don't know if we'll get any hits or not in the packs. We'll try though. Yeah, this thing won't open. There we go. Just the classic cardboard cards. We have a Jonathan Quick. Here's some neat base cards. Like, they got the different colors. We got Travis Harmonic, Francis Bouillon, Drew Miller, Alexander Semin, Lucas Sabisa, Nicholas Hjalmarsson. Ooh, we got a hit. Marquee Rookies Mrekru, Nicholas Blanchard for the Hurricanes, Carolina. So there's our first pack. We got 1 hit in the first pack. Alright. Second pack will be the 2012-13 Score. These packs always have something good in them. At least for me. Got a Stefan Wise, Vinny Prospel, Ryan McDonough, Johan Franzen, Troy Brouwer, and a hit, the franchise Johnny Bukic, and Zdeno Chara. So far we've got 1 hit per pack. So we're at the halfway point of the pack openings. This pack will do the 2011-12 Victory. Got Marian Hossa, Jordan Eberle, a hit, Jonathan Taves, Stars of the Game, Nicholas Bergfors, Derek Stepan, and Derek Brassard. 2 Dereks in a row. So far, we've gotten a hit per pack. Last pack, the 2013-14 Panini Prism Retail Pack. There's only 4 cards in this pack, though, so it's a pretty small one. Ah. Oh no, not open. There we go. I got it. These are some neat base cards. Oh, shoot. Alright. Got Andre Pavlik. And a hit. Pivotal Players, Andrew Ladd. Got Erik Karlsson. Martin St. Louis. And an advertisement. Alright, so there we go. Now we're done with the packs. We got a hit per pack in the Prism. We got the Pivotal Players, Andrew Ladd. In the Victory, we got Stars of the Game, Jonathan Taves. The Score, we got the Franchise, Johnny Bukic. And in the O-Pee-Chee, we got a Marquee Rookies, Nicholas Blanchard. We've got the hits now. Got a couple hits. And now we will open the 50 random card thing. I think this puck thing was the bonus. I thought it would be like maybe a memorabilia card as the bonus. Alright, sorry about that. I had to run and go get something. I have an Ovation, Eric Stahl. I actually have that card already. Ooh, we got a hit. A Mario Lemieux 89-90 season Bowman hat tricks. Robert Pickard. Mike Hugh. Geoff Courtnall. Nathan Gerby. Thomas Vanek. We have Wayne Gretzky's brother right here, Brent Gretzky, in the 7th inning sketch, OHL. Just a base card though, nothing very special. We got a Joey McTamney. We have a John hang on, you guys. I don't know if my camera's been screwed up the entire video or it's acting up right now. Get it in a good position where you guys can actually see the cards and stuff. So we got a John Wynn, Mike Gray, Todd Harvey. You got another hit. 1990 record setters Yari Curry. Have a Jim Benning. Tobias Enstrom, rookie class. That's a hit. Another hit. Andrew Cogliano, rookie class. A Brad McCrimmon. Stuart Gavin. You got another hit. Nelson Emerson, Platinum Prospect. Another hit. Luciano Borsato, Platinum Prospect. Another hit. Parkhurst European Juniors, Evgeny Ryabchikov. Damian Rhodes. Murray Craven. Mark Recchi. Yuri Littell. Paul Broughton. Stefan Fissett. Gary Nyland. Back of that card was like screwed up. Felt weird. Kevin Todd. Jeff Brown. Uwe Krupp. Ooh, a hit. Topps Finest. Jamie Star. Greg Millen. Mike Peluso. Rick Wamsley. Craig Simpson. Brian Bradley. Rick Vive. Tyler Myers. Dave Rock. Jimmy Carson. Cal Johansson. Tony Hercack. Steve Chieson. Oh, the camera keeps falling. Bob Murray. Yannick Perrault. Another of that Jimmy Carson guy. Mark Recchi. Joe Sakic. And Grant Fuhr. So the last two cards are really good. I like that box. I have a second one of these boxes that I will be opening tomorrow. So recap. We got the Topps Finest Jamie Storr. He's got the Evgeny Ryabchikov European Juniors. Then a couple Platinum Prospects. A couple rookie classes. 1990 record setters Yari Curry. Mario Lemieux hat tricks card. A pivotal players Andrew Ladd. Those Prism base cards are really cool. This isn't a base card, but they look similar. Alright, so the Victory Stars of the Game, Jonathan Taves. The Franchise, Johnny Bushik. And a marquee rookie of Nicholas Blanchard. And we got this, like, puck thing as a bonus. I don't know what it is or what it does. Like, is it a puck? Maybe you can, like, store things in it, or... Yeah, I don't know what this is. What the heck? Yeah, I seriously do not know what this is. Or what it's for. Maybe it's used to store something, or what? So, a pretty good openings today. Got this thick of some hits. And so, until my next opening, Bird Boy, away!